Well. The Three Stooges came and I'm going to unbox it. Yes, I'm unboxing the band Three Stooges. And guess who I'm with?
Me.
You can only say your name.
Okay, Austin, I guess.
Yeah, Austin. Okay. Well, let's start opening it, shall we?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna be opening this shit with a big fucking scissor. Yeah, let's see how this works.
Hmm.
Actually, it's working pretty well. Huh.
Nice.
I'm very surprised. Um,
I thought I was just gonna break the box.
yeah. Oh yeah, guys, I don't know if you know this, but I have red hair, as you can see. Um, I have, I, yeah, I don't know what to fucking say now. Um, let's see. I'll box this shit. It might take a while because of how bent the fucking scissors is. Um, okay. So good for, this one too. Um, shit. Okay.
That box is big just for like that tiny item.
What?
I never knew they were like that big.
Oh yeah, they are.
That's sick.
You ready to see them?
Yes. Slowly. Oh, wow.
Yes, they came with the box.
L- That's so cool. It looks so yellow though, the plastic.
Oh yeah, fucking frames. I'm gonna take this shit off. Make sure I don't break anything, of course. Oh, it even came with his own adapter, that's right.
Yay. Is it a 6 volt? Because you could use it on your
Yeah,
other.
that takes this off.
Nice. That's good. Yeah.
Let's see. No battery.
Yeah. You gotta test it with the adapter.
Yeah. I have a feeling this might be broken, but I don't give a damn, so. um, yeah, all it matters is that you're happy with the item, and yeah, you
Yeah.
should be happy. Adapter, this is the adapter, right? Now let's
Alrighty.
see, I'm gonna plug this shit in, and let's see if it fucking fully works or not. You ready, Austin?
Yep, absolutely.
Why,
What the fuck is
you
this?
lame brain.
Oh, damn, that's high pitch.
We got no place left. What's the big idea?
Here,
You
split
lame
to the
brain.
yeah.
Yay.
Okay, yeah, now see unboxing, so, yeah, bye-bye.
Bye.
Austin, what the hell are you doing?
I don't know. I just got bored.
Shit, okay, bye-bye.